my advice to someone who wants to win in the current market that we're in is to really narrow your focus and specialize in something. Become really, really good at something hard and that nobody wants to do. That will help you showcase yourself as an industry expert and be top of mind when agents or referring partners come across those situations. If you have a pretty good background to go off of, closed a good amount of loans and feel comfortable trying new things, then this should be a somewhatly smooth transition to dive in and learn a new product. What do you need to do? And then go showcase that product to the people you work with. And they're not going to be surprised that you are good at it because they already know you're good at your job. It's just going to give them the reassurance that they need that you're actively finding solutions and options for borrowers in this market. And then on the flip side, if you don't have quite as much business to go off of, maybe newer to the industry, this could feel very uncomfortable because, now you're stepping out into something that territory for typically a seasoned loan officer or someone that has more experience. So in that scenario, really take your time to dive into guidelines and so that you understand what you're getting into and maybe even working with your branch manager, someone in your office so that you can work together on this. But really wanting to showcase that expertise and that knowledge so that they being your referral partners feel comfortable sending you these clients that are in that arena. That being said, right now, we know that deals are hard to come by. Agents and people in the industry are struggling to retain their clients. So agents are going to be selective where they're sending their clients. They want to retain business, just like all of us do. And so they're going to send their clients to wherever they feel they have the highest likelihood of converting that client and securing that client. They're not going to be as open to trying something new or trying someone they haven't worked with if they really don't feel that confidence and reassurance that that person is going to perform and help keep the client in that home buying mode and committed to the process. So it is a little bit, it's difficult to get agents business in general, but especially right now, their deals feel so precious. And so people are protecting those and really trying to keep them where they feel the client is going to be served and given expert guidance. So you can definitely do that. And choosing something that you're going to hone in on will really help you stay on track and on focus. If you're promoting a little bit too much, it's going to blend in with the rest of the industry. In order to kind of stand out, I think narrowing that focus, it might feel like you're only asking for a certain sector of business, but trust me, it will overflow and you'll get other deals out of it as well. But it will help you keep your phone ringing and keep people reaching out to you for expert advice and knowledge. And then lastly, it's okay to feel a little uncomfortable, when we're trying new products and things that we haven't had to dabble into for a while. It's going to feel a little off, but being confident, sticking to the process, don't be afraid to ask questions, hone in on your branch manager, industry veterans, because they have a lot of experience that they can provide that's going to bring value and help you get through this. And I think if you focus on those things, you can definitely win and succeed. And your partners are going to see that you're in it for the long haul, not just for the quick paycheck, but you're willing to put in the work, you're willing to do it and commit to it and be a part of the journey with them. I think that will go a long way.